like those steaming little bowls of kala chana chaat at beaches? Well, let me introduce you to a healthy and veggie-packed version of it. Use oil instead of butter and add veggies like broccoli and spinach to add more nutrients. Saute boiled kala chana with some spices. It makes for a delicious and filling meal, so try it out. Let's make this delicious black bean salad bowl. Packed with Mexican flavors, it has the right amount of protein from the black beans and a mix of chopped veggies and greens for some good fiber. This creamy, dreamy avocado cilantro sauce is easy to make. The key to eating healthy consistently is ensuring that your healthy food actually tastes good. The same way, the key to a good and filling salad is the right amount of protein and a delicious salad dressing. Edamame corn salad with orange cumin dressing. Edamame is rich in protein and makes for a delicious and filling salad. The star of this salad is this citrusy dressing made using fresh orange juice with earthy tones from roasted cumin powder. Add colorful crunchy veggies with salad leaves, top with almonds and cilantro, and it's ready. So save it and try it out. Let's make this healthy and delicious Tex-Mex salad. Kidney beans or rajma paired with fiber-rich quinoa and colorful vegetables like tomatoes, cucumber, and corn. The creamy avocado adds good fat and pairs beautifully with this spicy and tangy jalapeno lemon vinaigrette. This bowl is easy to put together and makes for a perfect weekday meal. Pack the salad and vinaigrette separately for your lunch dabbas and try it out. Let's make paneer stir fry. It's healthy and delicious. I shallow fry paneer until golden brown and add it to warm water to keep it soft. You can raid your fridge and add any kind of vegetables you find. I usually add colorful bell peppers, zucchini, along with boiled corn and broccoli. This stir fry gets its flavor from soy sauce and sesame seeds. Adding a handful of greens like spinach